This is Sir Jimmy. Today we're going to discuss about algebraic division based on the book ACE Level IGCSE International Mathematics. So, in this part, algebraic division can be solved also by factoring. And of course, we have to find out if there is a remainder in such polynomial equations. Let's say an example, x cubed minus x squared minus 5 x plus 6 can be factored. This could be factorable by x minus 2 and x2 plus x minus 3. In other words, the given equation can be factored by x minus 2 times x squared plus x minus 3. And this can be solved like this process. X cubed minus x squared minus 5x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. So if we encounter like this equation, simply divide x cubed by x, so we got x squared. At the same time, you have to multiply x squared by x, so x cubed. Then x times negative 2 will be negative 2x squared. Then put a bar sign. The rule of division, you have to change the sign. So since this is positive, you have to change it to negative. Since this is negative, change it to positive. And then add. So cancel this. Then negative x squared plus 2x will become x squared. Copy the remaining part. So minus 5x. Bring down also 6. Again, proceed to the division. Since this is positive, simply copy positive here. And divide x squared, divide by x is x. Then multiply, we have x squared. Then multiply also here, we have x times negative 2, negative 2x. Again, change the sign. Positive become negative, negative become positive. So cancel. We have negative 3x, bring down 6. Okay. So proceed again to division. So negative 3x divided by x, we have negative 3. Okay? So multiply negative 3 to x, we have negative 3x. Multiply negative 3 to negative 2, we have positive 6. Change the sign again, negative will become positive, and this one will become negative. So, cancel, 0. Meaning, the given equation, based on our factor given part, is 0. There is no remainder. So, the process of this, we can also solve by synthetic division. And synthetic division like this, take this equation. Since there is no number here, will become 1. Automatic, put on your mind that any variable without any number, there will be 1. Same thing here, no number, negative, so negative 1. Okay? And 5 is negative, so negative 5. 6, put it here also. And then put a division sign. Okay? To avoid confusion, to make a direct analysis or mental way of getting those processes into a division, since the given divisor here is negative 2, put on your mind that you have always changed the sign. So negative 2 will become positive because we already changed to avoid confusion. Okay. The rule of this synthetic division will be you have to bring down the first digit number. So 1, bring down 1.